Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening settings so you can control timers directly. This is faster than digging through Control Panel. Click Start, choose the gear icon, then System and Power and Sleep. Once there, you will see separate options for screen and sleep. Set sleep to a short test value so you can verify behavior. Make sure your device is plugged in if you want separate plugged-in and battery rules. Those two columns matter for laptops. Once done in Power and Sleep, click Additional Power Settings to reach legacy controls that affect deeper behaviors. Choose your active plan, hit Change Plan Settings, then change Advanced Power Settings. In that dialog, adjust sleep, hibernate, and allow wake timers so devices or updates don't block sleep. You should also check USB Selective Suspend and PCI Express Link State to prevent hardware from preventing sleep. These settings explain why sleep may fail and let you tune behavior precisely. After saving, test immediately. Click Start, Power, Sleep to confirm the PC goes to sleep and wakes as expected. If it won't sleep, check Device Manager for outdated chipset or display drivers. Installing drivers often fixes missing sleep. You can also disable wake timers or hybrid sleep in advanced settings to isolate the cause. If problems persist, run powerkg/requests and powerkg/lastwake from an elevated command prompt to identify what's blocking sleep. That command points to the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.